So, what foods do you like? I like ice cream and pizza and apples. Oh, I like those foods too. What foods do you like? I like fish, vegetables, and bananas. Together? No, not together. What drinks do you like? I like tea and I like juice. Hot tea or cold tea? Both. What about you? I like coffee and hot chocolate. Oh, I like both too. What desserts do you like? I really like ice cream. Oh, what flavor do you like? I like strawberry. I like vanilla too. And you? Nice. I like cake and I like pie. What kind of pie? I really like apple pie with ice cream. Yum. What snacks do you like? I like to eat fruit. Oh yeah. And what fruits do you like? I like apples and oranges. And you? I like strawberries and watermelon. Do you like to eat cookies? Of course. I love chocolate chip cookies. Me too.